DUST Undersecretary Mariton Sahagon, DUST Assistant Secretary Maria Teresa Guzman, Director Bob Dizon, Director Annabel Briones, Mr. Martin Ochoason, Ms. Elisidas Palermo, our partners from the academy, partners from the industry, presidents of industry associations, partners from the media, isang makaagham. Gabi na rin natin makametal, isang makaagaw at makametal na umaga po sa inyong lahat. Firstly, our congratulations to the Metals Industry Research and Development Center for the 2025 M&E Week celebration. Celebrations such as this provides us with the opportunity to show what we have been doing, what MREs has been doing, what the industry needs, and also an opportunity to network and foster collaboration as we work towards co-creating solutions for the industry sector. So, and then secondly, let me now proceed to my presentation. Ayan. So, siguro let me make a bold statement. The future is already here as we welcome Industry 4.0 long before. We have been talking about, I remember talking about Industry 4.0 years before. Nung unang pumasok ako sa DUST, around 2007, but around 2012, meron na kami mga forums that we have been doing on this. And imagine where we have factories that have machines that are able to talk, where data flows and production adapts in real time. Parang minsan iniisip natin masyadong magarbo, but there's a way to get there. And hence, welcome to the future. The future is now. The 21st century has seen the rise of fourth industrial revolution, where there is a convergence of digital, physical, and biological world. With this, there is a continued push for smart manufacturing through the use of artificial intelligence, big data, Internet of Things, and automation in factories and firms. Sabi nga ng ating keynote speaker kanina, most of you would actually know this, and kayo actually ang experts on this. And Industry 4.0 would have the following components: cyber physical systems, blending computing with physical processes, Internet of Things, connecting devices, sharing data, big data and analytics, extracting insights from vast information, artificial intelligence and machine learning or enabling intelligent systems, robotics and automation, boosting efficiency and precision, and additive manufacturing, revolutionizing production. Why is this crucial for us in the Philippines? This is crucial for increased productivity and efficiency, enhanced global competitiveness, especially for our micro, small, and medium enterprises, higher value job creation. It would also help us go into the global value chain on the larger value chains, improve product quality and innovation, and economic resilience. And hence, we cannot afford to be left behind with all these emerging trends and implications. It is a necessity for global competitiveness and sustainable growth. Hence today, we will be sharing how DUST empowers innovation and accelerates Industry 4.0 adoption through our initiatives. Marami nang nasabi at na-share kanina si Director Dizon. Of course, si Secretary, our directions na-share niya rin kanina, and our undersecretaries here as well. So let me share the UST strategic pillars for Industry 4.0. We can look at it in terms of 4 areas. On the tip is shaping policy, building infrastructure, developing human capital, and at this space, as most crucial, is addressing technology gaps. The DUST is small under Strategy 1, or empowering smart MSMEs with Setup 4.0. The DUST is Small Enterprise Technology Upgrading Program 4.0 seeks to empower MSMEs to become smarter. This seeks to drive for a more sustainable economy, market competence, and enable human capital. We drive the smart transformation for micro, small, and medium enterprises by integrating advanced technologies, offering innovation enabling funds, and providing technical training and consultancy. We realized that yung growth or yung challenges that all micro, small, and medium enterprises would have would actually differ depending on the size, depending on the products that they're producing, depending on the locality, depending on the markets that they would actually have. And hence, with Setup 4.0 graduated, this is a graduated assistance. And we hope that some of you would actually just be on the needs would actually just align with Industry 3. And these are also included in the Setup Assistance Program. Even the ERPs, the Enterprise Resource Planning Systems that we would need in facilitating our access to data, facilitating the analysis of the data that we would have, those can be covered under the Small Enterprise Technology Upgrading Program. We would also like to see Setup as a platform where we can commercialize the DUST-generated technologies. Earlier, Engineer Dizon has shared some of the technologies that MIRDC has already generated, and we would like to encourage everyone to adopt those, and Setup can be a platform or support program in facilitating the adoption of those technologies. Under our second strategy, this is building a future-ready workforce. This would include, with the demands for new competencies, this would include DUST interventions, in particular MIRDC's interventions on robotics, automation, digital manufacturing, 3D printing technology workshops, advanced manufacturing centers, with as Director Dizon has shown earlier, where the advanced manufacturing centers are now and where it would be across the regions. Also the metals and also the MEICs, or Metal Engineering Innovation Centers, and this would actually democratize access of all our stakeholders in the region, including the academic institutions and including the industry sector. Hopefully with that, we also build competencies across all regions, and we would be localizing the addressing of your needs in your respective regions. Later in the day, i-introduce din sa atin yung 4, and those are just initiatives of the UST in building a future-ready workforce. Under Strategy 3, Fostering Innovation and Research, this would include our Science for Change program, which would expand research and development, human resource, and industry competitiveness. We would also like to encourage everyone, under the Science for Change program, we have the CRADLE program, or Collaborative Research and Development to Leverage Philippine Economy. We work with the different research and development institutions and academic institutions, and with our central office in organizing right shops, which would link our research and development institutions with our industry sector or enterprises to collaborate on addressing the specific problem of the industry sector. And this can be funded under our DUST grants in aid of the central office. We have also recently launched the Propel program, which aims to accelerate local innovation to global commercialization. For those enterprises that actually have the capacity to do their own research and development activities, we have the Business Innovation through S&D, or the Best for Industry program, and likewise as what we do with CRADLE program, we also organize our right shops to facilitate proposal preparations for this. I'm sorry. Our strategy 4, or the fourth strategy, would be going beyond the horizon for future directions. We have recently launched yung aming Elevate program, the DUST Elevate program, or the Big Ticket R&D program, and these actually include R&D on quantum computing and R&D activities on geospatial analytics. The DUST has also been tasked to lead the development of the National AI Strategy program, and this would include infrastructure, skills, technologies, policies, establishment of AI hubs in partnership with the different national government agencies.